Welcome to our channel. Are you in the process of building or redesigning your WordPress website? Don't fall into these common design traps. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 WordPress design mistakes and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong theme. Your theme is the backbone of your website's look and feel. Selecting a bloated, outdated, or overly complex theme can slow down your site and make it difficult to customize. To avoid this, choose a clean, responsive theme that fits your brand. Always check the reviews, compatibility, and support before committing. Moving on to mistake number 2, a cluttered design. Trying to include too much on your website can overwhelm visitors, making navigation difficult. To avoid this, focus on simplicity. Stick to a clear structure and highlight the most important information. Remember, less is more when it comes to web design. Mistake number 3, ignoring mobile optimization. With most users browsing on mobile devices, a website that doesn't adapt to different screen sizes will drive visitors away. To avoid this, always use a responsive design. Test your site on various devices to ensure it looks and functions well, no matter the screen size. Mistake number 4, slow load times. No one wants to wait for a website to load, and search engines will rank you lower if your site is too slow. To avoid this, compress images, minimize plugins, and use caching tools to speed up your site. Consider a quality hosting provider as well. Mistake number 5, poor navigation. If users can't find what they're looking for quickly, they'll leave. To avoid this, ensure your navigation is intuitive and consistent across all pages. Use clear labels and organize your content logically. Mistake number 6, neglecting SEO. Without proper search engine optimization, your site may not appear in search results. To avoid this, use relevant keywords, optimize your images, and ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Mistake number 7, overlooking accessibility. Your website should be accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. To avoid this, use alt text for images, ensure your site is navigable via keyboard, and provide transcripts for videos. Mistake number 8, inconsistent branding. Your website should reflect your brand consistently across all pages. To avoid this, use a consistent color scheme, typography, and tone of voice. Mistake number 9, not using analytics. Without analytics, you won't know how your site is performing or where improvements are needed. To avoid this, set up Google Analytics or another tool to track your site's performance. Mistake number 10, failing to update regularly. An outdated website can lead to security vulnerabilities and a poor user experience. To avoid this, regularly update your WordPress version, themes, and plugins. And here's a bonus tip. Always back up your site before making any major changes. This ensures that if something goes wrong, you can easily restore your site without losing valuable data. Introducing SFW Experts, a leading WordPress website design company dedicated to helping businesses create visually stunning and highly functional websites. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. See you in the next